in this question, okay, let me change the color. Alright, you can see that I have shown you the solution. Yeah, and again, I think I want you to focus on how I explain, because high chance you may not see the same question again. Yeah, but you need to really understand how percentage problem sums are designed, and you have to know the idea behind, such that it will be able to help you to apply the same knowledge on similar question. Okay, here goes. Remember our KCNSU? First, it's very important to start highlighting keywords. Again, sometimes it's daunting or even terrifying that sometimes we wonder whether we can do the problem sums. It's okay. All we need is to follow the 5-step process called KCNSU. So here goes. There is a plot of land with length 20 meters. Okay, got to be thicker. 20 meters and breadth 12 meters. So this is a rectangular plot of land with 20 meters by 12 meters. If the government decided to reduce or to decrease the length by 20%, okay, take note, this is reduced by. There's a big difference compared to reduce to. Yeah, reduced by 20% means that you cut away 20%. Reduced to 20% means that the final percentage is 20%. Yeah, so in this case, it's cut away 20%. Alright, and again, reduce the breadth by 50%. That means you cut half. Yeah, why I say half is because you know that 50% is 50 over 100 and it's half. Alright, so what is the new area for the plot of land? Okay, let's do some backtrack. To find the area of the plot of land, and you know that this is a rectangular piece of land, you need to take the length of the breadth of the land times the breadth of the land, right? So you need to find what is the new length, and then you also need to find the new breadth. So this is the step 1 of the thinking process. So let's find one at a time. Don't rush through. Yeah, find one at a time. Then, okay, let's go for the length. So if the length is cut by 20% and is left by, okay, so this is 100%, and when you cut 20%, it leaves you 80%, right? Yeah, so this one is actually the new length. Yeah, the new length. So it's 80% of 20 meters. This whole thing is 20 meters. Okay, so to solve it, we have to take 80 over 100, because 80% is equals to 80 over 100 times 20. And then some of you may want to use a calculator, but you can see that you can do cancellation. Can you see a 0? Cancel, and then you cancel. So it's 8 times 2, so it's 16 meters. Okay, so this is done already. So new area is actually 60 meters. This is the length times the breadth. Now, how did we find 6 meters? Again, the new breadth, okay, this is the old breadth, which is 100%. and when you cut away 50%, this is what's left. So it's 50 over 100 times 12, you get 6 meters. So you just take 16 times 6 to give you 96 meter square. Take note of the square because this is the units to find the area. Okay, so that's part A. Yeah, so in this case, it's a very simple question to find the area of a rectangle. Yeah, but again, because of your understanding of by, reduce by means that it's to cut, it helps you to speed up. But in the other events when you do not know the difference between reduce by and reduce to, probably you're going to get stuck here. Yeah. Okay, so next, what is the percentage decrease in the area? Okay, when you find percentage decrease in the area, you need old area and you need new area. Okay, so again, what is the base 100%? This will be the base. Yeah, this is the old one, so this is the base. This is another thing that you must be very clear about. Yeah, so that's why we put here, this is 100%. So 100% is actually 240 meters square. So what's the drop? The drop is actually this minus off this. Okay, so minus already, you get 144. So we need to find 144 is how many percent. So if your maths is pretty okay, you may want to try this. This is called a jump. Okay, so you want to go from 240 to 144, right? But you can't just go like that. Okay, you can't just go like that, and this is wrong. Okay, so you need to do a double jump, 1 jump and 2 jump. Okay, so to go to 1, you actually take 240 divided by 1. So here is divided by 240. Same thing here, divided by 240. That's why you can see me doing this. Then simplest form, 10 over 24, 512. Then the second jump, remember the double jump? This is the second jump. And then from here to here, you times 144, yeah? Because from 1 to 144 is times 144. So same thing here, times 144. You get this one, 5 over 12 times 144. And you get 60%. Okay? So in short, you need to know the key information to solve this kind of question. Reduce by is very important. You need to know this. Okay, you need to know this. And then this one is also very important because to find the area, you need to know that it's length times breadth. Then for part B, percentage decrease, you need to know which one is the base. It's very important. So this is the third asterisk. You have 1 asterisk here, 2 asterisk here, and 3 asterisk here. And the fourth one is this double jump, another asterisk. Yeah. So very easy question, or probably quite manageable. You have seen it before. Yeah, but I think my purpose here as your coach, your home coach, is to point out to you which are the concepts that you must know, or at least which are the important parts that you must know. Because if you do not know this, and this, there's no way you can solve the question and get full marks for that. So sometimes when you solve problem sums, right, it's not about doing many questions. It's about knowing the key ingredients or the steps that you must already understand before you step into the exam hall. Okay, hope that helps.